All right, it's time to make the planter boxes. So this is the wood I got for free. Remember that? And then we have the posts. So these are all cut 3 feet long. The posts are cut 3 feet long. A lot easier on my measurements. I don't have to think about anything. And I figured if I was gonna use screws, I'd need 64 screws per planter box. So I'm not gonna use screws. I'm gonna use these nails. We've got some spare nails. They're galvanized nails. And I'm gonna just use my nail gun. And I can use these as much as I want because I got a whole bunch of them. So we wanna make sure this is square when we assemble it all. So I've got these 2 little spacers. They're cut the exact same size. And we're gonna put them inside the posts on both sides here. Okay, like that. So we make sure it's square, nice and, because we're gonna want to make sure the other side goes on nice and flat, you know, when I put the end pieces on. So that's what these spacers are for. So now it's flipped over, and I'm gonna put a piece on the inside here. This will support the bottom pieces that will support the dirt. So we'll do that. And then also I'm gonna put a little shelf on the bottom of some of them, if I have enough wood, and I'll put this on the inside too. And this is a spacer. So I'm just gonna space it from the bottom, 6 inches over here, and we'll nail this one on. All right, there you go. So now we'll make the other half. Let's do it a little quicker though this time. All right, so here are our 2 sides. Now we're gonna do the ends. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2-foot pieces on this side and 5 2-foot pieces on the other. So let's nail her up. I'm gonna probably get a clamp here too. All right, so there's the inside, and so we're gonna put these, I had some shorter pieces and some longer pieces. We'll lay down the longer pieces here. And use the crummy stuff because it's gonna be covered by dirt and the wire mesh, and the short ones on the end. So arrange them all out. And then these I'll just, maybe I'll just take the finish nailer and nail them in. Okay, now we're gonna put in the hardware cloth. And I've always wondered, why is it called hardware cloth? It's not cloth, it's made of steel. So we're gonna look it up on Google. The hardware term is from the steel and the fact that hardware cloth is sold in hardware stores. The cloth term derived from the method by which it is manufactured. See, now you know something you didn't know 5 seconds ago. So there's the hardware cloth on the bottom to hold the debris back. I've seen people put leaves down and then dirt, or landscape cloth and then dirt. I don't think you just put dirt down, it would leak down to the bottom tray. where you're gonna put your garden supplies and such. So that's not bad, huh? I only have to make 5 more, which is gonna take a little bit. Thanks for tuning in. Click the like button below and hit subscribe, and we'll see you later.